Okay, I'm going to show you how to use a whiteboard within your Screencastify. And if I'm doing this correctly, you will be able to use this in Loom also. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to click here and I'm going to go to Google. I'd rather be in Google. And I'm going to type in web whiteboard. Okay, when I go to web whiteboard, you're going to see this AWW app. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on start drawing. Okay, so in here you have everything like you would have on a regular whiteboard. Okay, you can even make post-it notes, which is pretty cool. Okay, you can type in there and you can do your students' answers in there too. Like they can put their answers. You can move this around. To move things around, you're going to go back to the arrow. You're going to click on it. You're going to move it around, okay? You can even delete it. All right, so if you go here to draw, you can use any colors that you want. Here's your pencil, and you can make this thicker if you'd like. There's a highlighter in here too, and a marker if you want to use it. Okay, so now I can just do 5 plus 6 equals, okay? Now, if you don't want to do all that with the drawing, you can always use the text, okay? And you can go like this. 5 plus 6 equals, equals. Now, if you want to make this bigger, go back here. Come on. Click on this, select, and this should, it just made it bigger for me. Okay. You can make it bigger. Let's try this. Type here, size. Let's move this up. Say I want the biggest it goes. Make it bigger. All right, maybe that's why we couldn't change the size. Now, if you want to move this, same thing, you're going to go back to select, and you're going to go here, and then you can do your answers from here. Now, this is all trial and error. This is my first time using it. So you can upload it. You can see here. But also, if you're doing Screencastify, you'll be okay with that. You're not going to need to upload it anywhere else. All right. Hope that helped a little bit. Enjoy. Bye.